So as lawyers, we're interested in justice. Right? You're all interested in justice in whatever form it takes. Came to law school. Some of you very much might be interested in the justice system, and we'll get to a case in a little bit that speaks to that. And so if we can really be there for those moments in court with our clients, in a conversation with the judge or opposing counsel, whatever that may be, if we can really be there, even when just sitting at our desk and reflecting and pondering and making decisions about how to move forward, we tend not to be hanging on to a lot of guilt about the conversation that happened earlier or we didn't do it the way we really should have done it, or the fact that we're worried about whether or not what we've already sent off and filed is going to be like, the typo or the paragraph that we left off that we can't do anything about, but hopefully, it's nice not to have that stuff. If we're so angry about something that happened, I can't believe this happened, I had to do something about this, but the anger is clouding our judgment. We want to be engaged, we want to care, but there's a point where the spiral is just going to, if we want justice, then it's nice to really be here, which means to allow the moment to be, if you will, as it just is. Okay? So this is a language that you can draw upon. To notice the moment as it just is. To allow the moment to be as it just is. To allow that person and what they're saying to be, in this moment, as it all just is. We're interested very much in what happens in the next moment. There's not a whole lot we can do about what happened in the last moment. There's very little we can do depending on how we slice and dice it, what's happening right now. This is reality, it's happening. We tend to resist. You ever have it where you didn't get the grades you wanted to on a test, or somebody didn't say to do something that you wanted them to do, and then you spent the next half hour going over and over in your mind and calling somebody and sending letters and doing all these sorts of things, in some way resisting the thing that already happened? So can we in fact find a way to be present for the moment as the moment just is? That person yelled, that person said something I didn't want them to say. The case is not going the way I'd like it to in this moment. Not be resisting it. It's a very subtle thing, the way we resist it. Say, that's what's happening. It's refreshing when you're with somebody who speaks the truth. How's the case going? Actually, at this moment, not well, but I'm on top of it. Because I'm really focused on what didn't go well, so I can see that tomorrow we turn it around. As opposed to something that's like, these cases are tricky, and you never know. Your own ambivalence becomes shared, bleeds into everyone else's. So, let us do a sitting. And bring ourselves into a posture that is upright and stable.